Now we're going to close the side seams, and we're going to do that in one go. So that's super easy. You want to take your underarm seam and you want to put those on top of each other, and you can secure that with the needle, and then just go to the sewing machine and sew this together with a bob standard stitch. There is no need to use a zigzag stitch or anything like that. You just kind of stretch it a tiny little bit and it'll just be perfect. If you are desperate for a zigzag stitch or a special jersey stitch, you can use it, but it's not necessary, so that's up to you. Anyway, you don't even need to pin it. I'm pinning it here so that you can see it, but most of you will go, I'm not pinning this. Also, if you've got a serger which sews together at the same time as it overlocks, then that would be great. You could just go on the overlocker and whoop whoop, you're finished with this before you can say diddly squat. So that would be truly brilliant. One day I will be able to get myself one of those lovely baby locks. I've got my eye on those, but for now it's just the really cheap Brother machine that a lot of you have as well, and it does me fine. I don't necessarily need all this really advanced stuff. You get the same results like this, it just takes you a little bit longer. So we're going to sew from the beginning here of the leg all the way down to the arm. Like I said, no special stitch, just slightly stretch it a little bit. It will happen automatically anyway. You don't need to pull on it or anything. It'll just do it because it's, jersey or knit fabric. And because we've top stitched the sleeves, the seams won't really fall. The seams really won't fold over, so that's quite good. And then when we've done that, we want to overlock that and again cut off some of it, because you don't want the tension that a wider seam allowance will give to the side seam. And that's it basically. Then you can iron the whole lot. Always iron towards the back, the seams. That's rule number 1 of all your sewing. And then we are ready to put on our cuffs. So I see you in the next video. Bye for now.